Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of One to Step. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to share screen on Discord mobile and PC. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. First, let's start by learning how to share screen on Discord mobile. Make sure you've downloaded Discord application on your device. Once you have the app, simply tap it open. Sign into your account if necessary, and from the home screen of Discord, tap on the hamburger menu at the upper left corner. Now, in order to share your screen, you'll need to join a voice channel. Simply go ahead and join or tap open a server, and now under voice channel, select a voice channel and tap on join voice. If you'd like to invite some friends, you can tap on invite friends option and then share your link server to your friends so that they can automatically join your server. After your friends join in, you can simply tap on the share screen button at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap on share screen, from the pop-up select start now. You are now sharing your screen with your friends. Now you can switch to other apps for your friends to see. After you share your screen, all the activities that you perform will be shared with your friends as well. If you want to stop sharing, you can simply tap on the stop sharing option and you'll no longer be sharing screen with your friends. That is how you can share screen on Discord mobile. Now let me go show you how to share a screen on Discord on your PC. In order to share your screen on your PC, click Open Discord application on your PC. The first thing to do is go ahead and join a voice channel. To be able to join a voice channel, connect to a server. I have my server over here. Let me go and click on it, and once the server opens up, click on one of the voice channel that you have. Now you've connected to a voice channel. If you click on the video button, your PC will access to your webcam. Now, in order to share your screen, go to the bottom of the screen and you can click on share your screen. Go ahead and choose a screen that you want to share with your friends, and then if you'd like to make any kind of a changes, that is your resolution or your frame rate, you can go ahead and do it in this channel and click on go live. After you do that, you can see that you are able to share your screen on Discord quick and easy. Now whatever you do on your screen, your friends will be able to see that as well. In order to stop sharing your screen, you can click on this icon that says stop streaming, and that is how you can easily share your screen on your PC as well. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.